Welcome back to this video. If you have WeChat channel, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to verify your WeChat channel rename verification. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on discover right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on channels. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top corner right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then scroll down right here and head over to account security and link. The next thing you need to do is to click on channel rename verification. Then it's going to take you right here. Once channel rename authentication is complete, the identity information cannot be cancelled. That is the first option right here. Account with more than 1,000 followers can apply to change the identity information once in a year. Please choose the identity information for verification carefully. Second option. Enterprise user can go to Creator Center. Request for verification or company organization verification to complete the verification. That is for enterprise account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Start right here. Then right here, you will be asked to enter your real name right here. Then when you enter your real name, enter your ID number. So I'm going to simply enter my real name right here. Then my ID number right here. Having entered your ID number, hit on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you to another stage whereby you will need to upload your identity information. And with that, within 48 hours, it's going to take WeChat to confirm your channel identity rename verification. And once it's successful, so it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply verify your rename identity in WeChat channel. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.